If the matter is clot, if there is a mass which cannot become part of your system, it becomes cancer. If there is a thought which cannot become part of your energy flow, which cannot digest into your system, which is not becoming eased with your mental system or your lifestyle or your being, that thought becomes depression. Depression and cancer is one and the same. Any mass which is stuck in some part of your body and which is not able to become part of your body, which is not able to get dissolved and become your body, what happens? Around that mass, slowly, tumor gets developed. That finally becomes a cancer. Same way, any thought which cannot become your system, which is not digested by you. See, when I throw some word, you tortured me. I wanted you to digest that word, imbibe the energy from that word, means what? I will not do this once more. Yes. Let me not analyze how I tortured. I will not torture. Whatever I am doing, I will lower down, I will tone down this also. Then the word becomes energy for you. You have digested it. The food has gone inside, you have digested it. Then it becomes your part, your system. There is nothing to worry. But if you just keep that word without digesting, that word has not become your part, that word has not become your energy, that is there. Slowly what will happen? The mass will gather around that word. And once there is some mass, alive, active, that simply attracts more and more mass towards it. That's what it's a physics law. That attracts more mass. So once there is one thought, oh, he told me I abused him. He told me I have disturbed him. That one thought, slowly what will happen? You start collecting more and more words. You start choosing more and more incidents. That slowly, it becomes a big mass, a lump, and simply it becomes a cancerous depression in your system. This is the way you create energy clots. This is the way you create energy clots. The moment you understand you have created energy clot like this, you have already done chemotherapy. Tumor will disappear. The moment you throw light that this is the way I created my clot, my tumor, you already done chemotherapy. Simply it will dissolve. Simply it will dissolve. Sometimes when the tumor has become big, you need operation. That is what is sitting with me. I just take the tumor and throw it out. Then we can always have the chemotherapy. We can always do the chemotherapy. Throwing light on the cancer, throwing light on the tumor is chemotherapy. Same way, just throw light, intelligence on the depression. Energy clots are very dangerous. At least cancer will destroy only your body, but energy clot will destroy your janmas after janmas. With cancer, you will lose only one janma, one body will disappear. But with energy clot, janmas after janmas. If you see some other master in the next janma, again you will relate with him with the same energy clot. With the same energy clot. Whenever somebody comes to me, leaving some other master out of hatred, you see, if they come, feeling overfull, without any hatred, if they come to me, I tell them, alright, be with me. If they have some fight or problem with that master and if they come to me, I tell them, no, get out. You will do the same thing with me also. You will do the same thing with me also. You will project the same thing on me also. Never try to project your father figure. Never try to project your past relationships on me. If you feel that something was lacking in your past relationship, some trouble was there, when you relate with me, you will project the same thing over me, same thing upon me, same way only you will look at me, because that energy clot is there. What will happen to that clot? What will happen to that clot? That will gather more and more mass. You are supposed to work on your energy clot, not on anything else. Unless you work on your energy clot, you will never be able to let the energy flow beautifully. If you don't have any energy clot, you will be so happy to live inside your body. If you are feeling difficult to live inside your body, if you have some problem with your body, be very clear, you have solid energy clots. And just understand the energy clot. Simply it will start dissolving. Never give energy to that particular problem. Divert all your energy towards the other side. Never give energy to that particular problem. Don't even think or worry about that problem. Don't even start worrying about that energy clot. Know that there was energy clot. Decide now, I will not divert my energies towards that energy clot. I will not justify that energy clot. The moment you justify your energy clot, you add more energy to that energy clot. The moment you justify, what you do? Add more energy to your energy clot. Just understand and surrender. Relax. Don't supply energy to the energy clot. Simply it will disappear. Doubts are energy clots. When you sit here, continuously I am doing the operation of removing the cancers and tumors, doubts. That is why you feel so much of energy when you leave this hall. When the energy clot is dissolved, it becomes energy. When the blood clot is dissolved, it becomes energy. Like this, some thought you pick up. When I throw some thought towards you, I wanted a particular effect. For example, this itself. When I say you disturb me, when I throw that thought, I wanted you should understand and decide, I will not disturb him anymore. Whatever was, I will tone down even that. I will just submit that also. I will surrender that. I will become nobody. When you decide that, it becomes energy. When you start thinking, I never did anything, there are so many other people who are doing much more than me, but he says only me, I am disturbing, as if others are not disturbing, you start creating violence, anger, resistance. The resistance, anger. The anger towards me, that resistance creates the first seed for the clot. Then you add more stuff, more and more decoration. Slowly, but not even slowly, immediately. Actually, immediately you collect all the past incident and file. Take out the incidents which supports. Chuck, you add and 10 minutes you are already into the depression. You create depression for yourself. Nobody creates depression for you. You create depression for yourself. This is the art of creating depression. This is the way you create your depression. Science of creating depression. This is the way you create depression. If you understand, you will never create it. The moment you start the resistance, first stop immediately. No. Relax. Relax. Wait. Simply the tumor will never form. Simply the thought will become your energy. The moment you understand the energy clot, the tumor, and it just gets dissolved and becomes solid energy to you. Solid energy to you. If your questions are answered, you will be drained. If your doubts are cleared, you will feel energetic. Here, I am clearing your doubts with all compassion and love. I am doing the operation of same tumor with all compassion and love. My compassion is anesthesia. My love is anesthesia. With that, with my words, jnana gatka, the words are the sword of knowledge. Slowly I am doing the operation. If you don't resist, I will go deep and remove the whole tumor. The moment you start resisting, only that much of tumor I will be able to remove. But I will wait with all my compassion and love because I know the art of waiting. When you will open the other part of the tumor also, I will wait till you open the whole tumor. Let me wait till you open completely. Thank you. Of course, if you have opened your tumor, now itself it will be cleaned. Over. Or just relax and meditate that visualize you are opening it and letting go. That will totally open it. And I will see that the operation is done. Yes. Tumor. Oh, it's nothing wrong. It's actually one way of you are seeking expressing. Your seeking for enlightenment is nothing but seeking for boundarylessness. When you really seek the boundarylessness, you start getting this experience, getting these moments. Encourage it. You will start experiencing it. I think now, just for a few minutes, you can close your eyes and visualize. You are literally opening all your wounds and energy clots, all your tumors, physically and mentally, to the Master's presence, so that he can clear it and dissolve it. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Relax. Let this energy of Shiva heal everything. Trust and relax into this energy. When this energy can bring these great words into your ears, when this energy can bring all this great wisdom to your knowledge, why not it can heal you? When these words can reach your ears, it can reach your heart also. Just keep that space open. Simply these words will fall into your hearts. When he can bring this wisdom to your ears, by me being here and by you being here, he can bring this into your heart also. When such big thing is accomplished, can't this much be accomplished? When this TV can come from all the way to Oklahoma to Bangalore railway station and reach the Bidadi bus stand, can't it be brought to this room? Simply it is possible. The energy which brought this, the Sankalpa which brought this from Oklahoma to Bidadi bus stand will bring that from Bidadi bus stand to this room also. It's not a big deal. When this wisdom can reach your ears and knowledge, it can simply become your experience also. Trust that energy and relax. It will simply happen. Let it happen. Let Anandeshwara express himself. Thank you.